This is a training board characteristic of to study ripple factor operated by Brown experts. We have provided the meters, voltmeter, AC voltmeter is there. This one is AC voltmeter input and voltmeter output and milliammeter. This is a circuit where input 9 volt plus and minus power supply is there. 4 rectifiers are there. You can make a bridge. There is a capacitor circuit, so filter circuit is there, and then the load resistances are there. You can check the output, input, output AC ripple percentage can be checked, and connecting to the meters you can see the variables and very easy to use. We have provided the set of wires with that. Please visit our website at Brown01. बहुत ही आसान इंस्ट्रूमेंट है और इसमें सारे की सारी पावर सप्लाई का सिस्टम इस पे इनपुट में दिया हुआ है. रेक्टिफायर ब्रिज का है, कैपेसिटर है और लोड रेजिस्टेंसेज है. पूरा का पूरा एनग्रेव किया हुआ है सर्किट पैनल और इजी इंस्ट्रूमेंट. प्लीज विजिट अवर वेबसाइट एट Brown01.